How much better is CodePen than JSFiddle or whatever? I don't know. They predate us and are perfectly good products, and there's no way I'm going to say anything bad about them. In fact, I think they're excellent products. JSPin actually can feel a little faster sometimes because they do some pretty cool client stuff that I kind of like. We focus on some of the backend server. I feel like CodePen just works the way it's supposed to a lot of times, and I really enjoy that kind of thing. And there's just a lot more community on CodePen. I mean, we can look at CodePen stats, and I'll just show you how many pens and how many people are on here. 750,000 users on CodePen, and they all have public profiles, and they can comment and heart and follow each other and follow back and blog things and talk to each other and stuff. There's just a community on CodePen. There's, we're a community in this room. There's real life CodePen meetups that people meet each other. I think the CodePen it is a code editor in the browser. That's what I've been showing you all about, but it's a community as well. Mark is asking about the Pro plan, and I promised I wouldn't go on about that, but there is some pretty cool, compelling, interesting advantages of it that can do some things that I think people are kind of interested in. Here's one of them called. I'm gonna show you my face for a minute as I stop sharing, and then. Hi, everybody, and then share again so I can share my screen. And fair warning, I upgraded to one of these like 34-inch monitors that's super enormous. You might get a little inception. Let me move that screen away. So now you're seeing my super giantly wide monitor, right? Let's say I'm going to type some stuff in here. I'm going to go body, background, red. The old classic, let's turn the page red kind of thing. Actually, you know what? Let's make it fog dog, my favorite hex color in the world. I'm going to save this pen. One of the things that we offer as Pro is this thing called Live View. So I'm going to open up Change View, the same place where I was like changing, the layout and stuff, and right-click on Live View, which opens up a new tab, and you can see it's just all orange, right? It's just a big old block of orange. I can open that as a new tab. I can move it. Now you're seeing both of my screens, right? And I'm going to change it to pink or whatever, and you'll see not only in the editor does it change, but it changes over here in Live View as well. So that's kind of neat. Let me close this down a little bit. I could open, let me just like open Firefox or something. Hopefully that'll fire right up. Where are you, Firefox? There you go. I'm going to put that in there too. And then I'm going to do that thing where I gave myself lorem ipsum times 50 or whatever. Give me a whole bunch of text in there. You see it's just all popping together, which is pretty nice. If I squish this down, maybe I'll go like this. You notice even, this is kind of a neat feature, even as I scroll, it scrolls the other ones too. It syncs that kind of stuff. If I click on something, it'll sync a click and that kind of thing. If I make this go back to fog dog, that's going to go orange on everything too. This is a big one that I like. If you download Xcode, I'm just on a Mac here, so it's just like a really easy mobile simulator to use. I can do my kind of mobile testing right through this, which I think is so cool. In fact, I could open Safari too. I'm going to open Safari. I'm going to grab the live view URL from this. I'm going to hit paste so I can go up in here, remove that, click so I can paste, and go to that. And that will be orange too. I'm going to go back to red. I'm going to scroll down. Does it work on mobile? Oh my God, it even does. I thought that'd be broken for sure. That's awesome. So now I have kind of a mobile tester. In fact, I was all, what about this? Shouldn't that affect it on mobile? That's weird. I think it's automatically injects that tag actually, because we had so many problems with people not putting it there. This actually should have been all zoomed out and weird looking. But okay, so mobile testing.